y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. If you're asking what is this, I'm kind of asking the same thing. So my doorbell rang and I completely expected that our Misfits box would be waiting at the door. But when I opened it, not only did we have the Misfits box, but I had a Dinnerly box. I did look at my email before starting up the camera, and as always I expected this, so we're going to kind of move this to the side. But when I was comparing different meal kits with like Every Plate, my go-to, the Home Chef, and different things, I guess I inadvertently signed up for Dinnerly. So yeah, so I got it, and I don't really check my email as much as I should, so I went back and looked, and sure enough, like whenever I put the email address and everything in that I was just looking at things, it charged to my account and it shipped. Thank goodness I put for only 3 meals for 4 people. So there are 12 servings, or there's supposed to be about 12 servings in this box, but I have no clue what's in here, so we're gonna find out. The other thing is, I know I still have my Every Plate box coming, so we're gonna have a lot of food this week. So we'll have Dinnerly, Every Plate, and Misfits, which Misfits, I got a lot of fruits and stuff, so they'll go quickly. But yeah, I was like, how did I get this? But we're gonna break into it and see what we got. Now I do remember whenever I was looking at Dinnerly, one of the things with it said that it's the cheapest meal plan set or something. Oh, by the way, I did already cancel it because I can't afford nor cook enough to keep 3 or 4 subscriptions going. So I just plan to do 1 or 2 at a time and kind of rotate between them. I may restart it. I mean, they already have my information, so why not? But we're gonna see. This does say share the food love, get boxes, give boxes, send Dinnerly boxes to friends as you cook. So cool. Oh, it says recycle me, so this is all good. But I mean, if we end up liking these better than Every Plate, then we might even switch, because I already had a frustration with one of my Every Plate meals last night. Y'all won't end up seeing that video, but we were missing the card whenever we got it, so I had to follow the online instructions, and it didn't even tell me the correct amount of ingredients and stuff. Anyway, the meal wasn't too bad, but we've had some ups and downs with it. Everything in there is good, but it lacks variety, especially in the vegetable department. So let's see if they gave us variety. I just hope there's no falafel or tofu. I don't like falafel. I like tofu and like miso soup, and my daughter will eat it all. But as a dinner meal, we won't eat that. So, one thing I'm seeing right off the bat, well, I don't see any like recipe cards or anything. So I wonder if one of the ways they make it that very cheap or inexpensive meal plan that they say is if you have to use online stuff. We'll get through all of it. But they also bulk package all of their things. I don't see any separation between meals. So we're just gonna pull it all out. It kind of looks like a grocery shopping trip. But let's see what we got. We have a big bag of green beans, and these actually look beautiful. This is very nice. I mean, it's got a little bit of slime to the back of it, but as far as the green beans go, they look wonderful. Like if I saw that in the grocery store, I'd pick those up. And that says it's a pound of green beans. We have a thing of broccoli, another little thing of broccoli. We have some pita bread. We got 4 pita bread. So I know that Home Chef likes to use pita bread and naan for like pizzas and stuff. I wonder if that is a pizza recipe. Steak seasoning, so we might have some steak. Garam masala. Oh, so maybe we have an Indian dish. Some steak seasoning, ranch seasoning, paprika, garam masala, some big russet potatoes. Those are cold. That's nice. Some garlic, some turkey broth concentrate, little divider, and some tomatoes, 3 little Roma tomatoes, a cucumber. It'll be alright. We'll use that up first. I'll put this back over here just so I can use it. Sirloin steak slices. It's got kind of wet, so it's skewed it, but does it say how many ounces? 8 ounces. Let's see. 8-ounce ranch steak. Oh, so we might have 2 steak meals. 8-ounce ranch steak. Wait, I wonder. I have my stuff set to anything I've ever ordered. I set it to 4 portions. I wonder if that's supposed to be like 2 steaks in there. That one doesn't look like it. We'll have to see. Sirloin steak slices. So that one's that again. Boneless, skinless chicken breast. That's 10 ounce. Boneless, skinless chicken breast. Sour cream, sour cream. Sour cream, sour cream. That's a lot of sour cream. That's one thing I can't stand. Oh, and here's another sour cream, which I know sour cream can be the basis, and that's it. This is 12 portions. So let's see. Well, we're not having pizza because we have no pasta sauce. Let's see what we're having. Let me see if I can go through my emails. Let's see. Generally, I will say everything was cold and looks good. It says track your shipping. I don't want to track my shipping. My box is arriving soon. Okay, cool. So low-calorie steak shawarma with Mediterranean salad. So that's going to be the pitas. Oh, with this is a lot like the every plate. You have to provide a lot more of your own stuff. So I need olive oil, red wine vinegar, white wine vinegar, salt, pepper. Salt, pepper, olive oil, that's no big deal. But most of my vinegars, I started packing up already. So we'll see for that. And then we have fried chicken, yummy, with mashed potatoes and green beans. So that's what that is for. And then keto-friendly smoked paprika steak. I'm guessing that's the ranch steak. Yeah. With broccoli cream. My only thing with this, well, that's a pretty good bit of broccoli for 4 people. I was going to say the only bit with that is it's just the steak and the broccoli. I wonder if it's going to be enough bulk for us. Like it's going to be substance. The fried chicken, potato, and green beans, definitely. I mean, heck, that's a pound of green beans. That'll actually probably be the first thing we all eat. We love green beans. But looking at it as the meal, that doesn't bother me. Like, it doesn't freak me out as much that this should be 12 portions because these are like little, they're not pizzas, but kind of. They're little Mediterranean pizzas with a, like a little salad, tomato and cucumber salad. Very much like our little shawarma bowl that we had the other day. But even for this, so we need a lot of stuff in our own pantry. Olive oil, red wine vinegar, white wine vinegar, salt, pepper, butter, milk, eggs, flour, just a lot of stuff. Not bad, it's just there's a lot of stuff. Again, I'm trying to do these meals for us packing up and things, and you kind of want them to be complete meals. If you're paying for that much, especially the shipping and stuff, then you want it to be a complete meal. So there's the con to it. I'll say their pictures, whoever took their pictures, they look delicious. So maybe it was fate that we're supposed to get this and really compare it to the others, and maybe it'll work out. But we'll cook these up. I'll have to rearrange my day planner and see what we're cooking when. But yeah, I mean, we love Greek food, so this will probably be what we have tonight, unless the kids just come in and see the broccoli and green beans and want that automatically. You never know. But thank y'all for joining us. It was kind of a cool surprise. I'm gonna get this put away and wait for my every plate box to get here because it should be here today too. And then I'll unbox the Misfits box and see what we got in there. But thank y'all, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye.